So if you notice all the blue at the bottom of our part, that's actually volume support. And if I turn it off, you can see what I'm talking about. And what that's going to allow us to do is come through with our wire EDM and cut our part off without actually cutting into our build plate or anything like that. So it's going to give us space between our build plate and our part to come through with our wire and cut our part off perfectly. All right guys, so our fan just finished printing. As you can see, it looks beautiful. This is a perfect application for laser metal fusion printing. This part has 48 fan blades and they're 50 thousandths wide, and it used to be made using a variety of different operations like sheet metal stamping, bending, and even welding. So I'm sure you can imagine how much process was involved in that. We were able to simplify that simply by printing it on our TruePrint 2000. Now all we have to do is take it over to our wire EDM and we can cut our part off our build plate and then it'll be finished. A part that used to take 4 operations now only takes 2, and the printing runs completely unattended. All right guys, so now we're over here in the EDM department. We got our part, we're gonna install this into our fixture and get all set up to cut it off our build plate. All right guys, so we're about a third of the way through our fan. We know that our fan's gonna wanna try and pull away from the build plate as we cut it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick a shim in the gap that's been created, and then we're gonna take a C-clamp and we're gonna clamp our fan to that shim and keep it in place while we cut through the rest of our fan. All right guys, so our program is finished. Now all I'm gonna do is just break this clamp loose and we're gonna see how our fan turned out. Wow. This thing turned out beautiful. I mean, there's thin walls everywhere on this part. This would be an absolute nightmare to make using any other manufacturing method. This is seriously a perfect part for additive manufacturing and EDM. The thin walls are easily handled by our Trump TruePrint 2000, and then our wire comes in and it cuts it off perfectly, putting no pressure on our part. Absolutely beautiful. To cut our part off, we only took 1 pass because the backside of our part's not super critical. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna come in and we're gonna hand polish this up a little bit and make it look really nice. 316L stainless steel, 50 thou thick blades on our fan blades, 48 total blades. I mean, this thing is light, it's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make this insane fan. I love the combination of additive and EDM, and there's gonna be a lot more of that content coming your way. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to ring that bell to be notified when we post videos. We'll see you guys next time.